I really like this bottle. Like, I really freaking like it. If this video doesn't make you want to grab a bottle of massage oil and your partner right now, I don't know what will. In the last email I sent you, I promised you thumb techniques today, and this is exactly what we're doing in this episode. But there's something important as well, because this, what we've got going on, is a give and take thing. I need you to critique the tutorial for me. In specific, I need to know, is this video too compressed? As you're watching this video, I want you to see if you're actually absorbing the information or whether there's just too much coming at you and it needs to be spaced apart a little bit so it can sink in. Let's have a look and we'll chat more about afterwards. The money shot is found just below the base of the skull. There's a bony ridge at the back of the head. It's a brilliant reference point for us. Practice feeling for this edge where the soft tissue meets harder bone. We know how to locate the money shot using our soup bowl method. If you've forgotten how, go back to the highlight series and relearn that tutorial. Once we've created a good soup bowl, one without holes, replace your middle finger with your thumbs. Fingers move into the hair for hand stability and control. It's important to not cover your partner's ears. People freak out when they cannot hear. It's not relaxing. Tiny thumb movements prevent us from pulling on our partner's hair. Always start with light pressure when working on the money shot, and the use of oil will help reduce that pulling feeling too. Circles work great on the money shot, and like most circular motions we do, one half is scooping up the knot and the second half is letting go. Massage using the pads of your thumbs for a broader stroke. Rhythm is coming from my elbows and wrists, and notice how much movement there is in my wrists. The actual massage stroke is a scooping motion. Imagine that you're collecting the money shot and pushing it up into the bony ridge before letting it go. We don't massage in full circles because that feels mechanical. Scooping up and letting go creates rhythm by breaking up the massage stroke. Also, when you break up the massage stroke, there's less chance of pulling on your partner's hair. Use the rolling technique we learnt in the ski jump. Roll from the pad of your thumb through to the tip. At the end of the stroke, you'll find resistance. Slight hold at the resistance and then let go. We're massaging across the muscle fiber, following the ridge of the bone. Watch closely. My wrist begins the stroke. It pushes the pads of my thumbs in towards each other, and then I roll onto the tip and my thumbs pull away from each other. It's like a wave pushing and pulling across the fibers of the money shot. You can try combinations of simple thumbs and advanced thumbs to make this even more interesting. Partners, you can experiment with different head locations. So you can have your head tilted back, or you can be sitting upright, or you can even choose to rest back, lean on your masseur. The only position that doesn't work with your thumbs is head tilted forward. When this happens, switch to massaging the money shot with your fingertips. Sorry about the mic setup. I know it's not ideal for a YouTube video, but everything's set up for voiceover because it's all about Melt MasterClass version 1.2, which is coming along, you guys. I mean, I can't wait to show you. I think the advanced section will be done by next Friday. I've done most of it now and dressing a couple of videos, which, oh my God, I'm so excited about. There's a few little bits and pieces that still need to be fixed up, but I'm really liking where we're at with it, especially the voiceover. Oh my God, how good does that sound, yeah? I'm working on the advanced techniques first, and this might be a little bit too advanced for some couples who haven't made it to the very end of Melt's masterclass. So keep that in mind. The main thing is the messaging coming across in a way that you can digest the information, or am I moving too fast? That's all I need to know, because I'm doing the final touches of these sorts of videos, and I'm trying to figure out, do I compress it to save you time, or do I elongate the video, which means that you're watching more, right? So you're watching for a longer period of time, but it might sink in better. Does that make sense? Like these other minute things that I'm trying to work on, what is the most optimal way of learning for you, right? When you're at home, not everyone wants to be spending 10 minutes learning one technique. I want the videos to stay within maximum a 4-minute clip, which is kind of tough, yeah? Like it's very tough to try get really high quality, difficult techniques explained as simply as possible in just 4 minutes. But let me know in the comments below, should I space it out? I mean, you don't even have to do the massage on your partner this weekend, although I do recommend doing it, because thumbs on the money shot back here, fantastic. By the way, the ski jumps turned into 5 classes now. It's mental. It is so good. Like, I'm loving this version of Melt. It was just meant to be a refreshed voiceover, but no, there's a whole bunch of new tutorials that are coming out. Oh, and next week, stick around. I'm going to teach you a rolling thumb technique. This is pretty mad. Like, I've never taught this before. It feels fantastic. You can do this anywhere on the body too. It's really good. I'll see you next week sometime.